Good morning children. How are you? I hope all are fine. Today we are going to learn some spoken sentences. Okay, shall we start the class? First one is meaning. First Roman letter is meaning. First Roman letter is meaning. Okay, first Roman letter is meaning. Then first library. First we are going to learn meanings. Okay, library. Library meaning pustakale. First word is pustakale. See, this is the O symbol. Pustakale. Okay. Then first one is pustakale. Pustakale means library. Pustakale. Library meanings pustakale. Who is Sa here halfly writing. Okay. Pustakale. Here we didn't pronounce pustakale. Sa is full is not pronounced. Here halfly pronouncing. Okay. So here we read pustakale. Pustakale. Library. Library meaning pustakale. How many students went to library? Do you know the library? There are many books have. Okay. Library. Library meaning pustakale. Pustakale. Library meaning pustakale. The next word is exam. Exam meaning pariksha. Pariksha. This is a very important word. Exam. Pariksha. Exam meaning pariksha. Exam. Pariksha. Pariksha. Ri. This is which symbol? E symbol. Okay. This is which symbol? A symbol. Ri. Sha. Pariksha. Pariksha. Exam meaning pariksha. First one is library, pustakale. Library meaning pustakale. Then next exam, pariksha. Exam meaning pariksha. Once again, library. Library meaning pustakale. Library meaning pustakale. Then next exam. Exam meaning pariksha. Exam meaning pariksha. Next difficulty. Next word difficulty. Kadhin. Exam and difficulty meaning kadhin. Difficulty meaning kadhin. Once again, library, pustakale. Library meaning pustakale. Exam, pariksha. Exam meaning pariksha. Exam meaning pariksha. Difficulty, kadhin. Difficulty meaning kadhin. Kadhin. Ka, dhi, tha. Kata, itha. Okay, kadhin. Ka, dhi, in. Kadhin. Difficulty, kadhin. Library, pustakale. Library meaning pustakale. Library meaning pustakale. Exam, pariksha. Exam meaning pariksha. Exam meaning pariksha. Exam, pariksha. Then next difficulty, kadhin. Difficulty meaning kadhin. Difficulty meaning kadhin. Next word is zero. Zero means shunya. Zero number, you know, this zero. Okay. Shunya. Shunya. Okay. Shunya is zero. Zero meaning shunya. Shu in shunya. Okay. Zero meaning shunya. Once again, zero meaning shunya. Zero shunya. Okay. First word is library, pustakale. Library meaning pustakale. Library meaning pustakale. Exam, pariksha. Exam meaning pariksha. Difficulty, kadhin. Difficulty meaning kadhin. Difficulty meaning kadhin. Okay. Difficulty meaning kadhin. Next is zero, shunya. Zero meaning shunya. Zero meaning shunya. Zero, shunya. Okay. Shunya, nothing. Okay. Zero, shunya. Next answer. Answer meaning jawab. Answer meaning jawab. Answer meaning jawab. Ja-wa-b. Jawab. Ja-wa-b. Jawab. Okay. Answer meaning jawab. Answer meaning jawab. Answer. Jawab. Ja-wa-b. Jawab. Answer meaning jawab. Okay. Next. Quiet. Quiet means shant. Sa, im symbol ta. Okay. Shant. Quiet. Shant. Quiet meaning shant. Quiet meaning shant. Library. Library meaning pustakale. library meaning पुस्तकालय, library meaning पुस्तकालय, exam परीक्षा, exam meaning परीक्षा, exam meaning परीक्षा, exam परीक्षा. Next difficulty कठिन, difficulty meaning कठिन. Zero शून्य, zero meaning शून्य, zero meaning शून्य. Okay, zero meaning शून्य. Next answer जवाब, answer meaning जवाब, answer meaning जवाब. Okay, answer जवाब. Quiet शांत, quiet शांत, quiet. Okay, quiet meaning शांत. Once again, library पुस्तकालय, exam परीक्षा, difficulty कठिन, difficulty कठिन, zero शून्य, zero means शून्य, answer जवाब, answer meaning जवाब, answer meaning जवाब. Quiet शांत, quiet meaning शांत. Library पुस्तकालय, library meaning पुस्तकालय, exam परीक्षा, difficulty कठिन, difficulty meaning कठिन, zero शून्य, zero meaning शून्य. Next answer जवाब, quiet शांत. Okay, then next I understand now. Once again, library meaning पुस्तकालय, library meaning पुस्तकालय, exam परीक्षा, exam meaning परीक्षा, difficulty कठिन, difficulty meaning कठिन, zero शून्य, zero meaning शून्य, answer जवाब, answer meaning जवाब. Quiet शांत, quiet meaning शांत. Okay, quiet meaning शांत. Then next letter 2. The next sentence. First one is, do you understand? Do you understand? This is a question. Where do you understand? Do you understand? आप समझ रहे हैं. This is the Hindi meaning. आप समझ रही है. This is the meaning. First question is, do you understand? Do you understand? I'm asking the question now. Do you understand? आप समझ रही है. आप समझ रही है. आप समझ रही है. आप समझ रही है. Do you understand meaning what? आप समझ रही है. Do you understand meaning आप समझ रही है. Okay, first one you will say the answer. I understand. I understand. First answer is I understand. This is the first answer. समझ गया. समझ गया. समझ गया. This is the Hindi sentence. Full stop. This is the Hindi words. Full stop. This is the English word. This one is the standing line is the full stop. Okay. Question is, do you understand? Do you understand? आप समझ रही है. आप समझ रही है. My first answer is I understand. समझ गया. I understand. समझ गया. Okay. You understand means you will say समझ गया. समझ गया. I understand. समझ गया. Next, second one is I do not understand. I do not understand. Sometimes you didn't understand it. You will say I do not understand. Okay. I do not understand. I do not understand. Okay. मुझे समझ नहीं आया. मुझे समझ नहीं आया. Okay. मुझे समझ नहीं आया मुझे I do not understand. I do not understand means मुझे समझ नहीं आया. First question is do you understand? Question is do you understand meaning आप समझ रही हैं, आप समझ रही है. Question is आप समझ रही है. For question the English word is do you understand meaning आप समझ रही है. First answer is I understand. You understand means you will say to I understand समझ गया, मुझे समझ गया. Okay, I understand means मुझे समझ गया. Okay. Second one, you didn't understand means you will say to I do not understand. That means मुझे समझ नहीं आया, मुझे समझ नहीं आया, मुझे समझ नहीं आया, मुझे समझ नहीं आया. Once again, do you understand? Do you understand? आप समझ रही हैं, आप समझ रही हैं. I understand. You will understand means you will say to I understand. मुझे समझ आ गया. Next, you didn't understand means you will say to I do not understand. मुझे समझ नहीं आया, मुझे समझ नहीं आया, मुझे समझ नहीं आया, मुझे मुझे means I, समझ means understand, नहीं. Okay, do not, नहीं आया. Okay, मुझे समझ नहीं आया, मुझे समझ नहीं आया, मुझे समझ नहीं आया. I do not understand. मुझे समझ नहीं आया. I do not understand. I do not understand. Okay. Next one. Try to say it. Next one word is try to say it. This is another word. Okay. Try to say it. इसे बोलने की कोशिश करो. इसे बोलने की कोशिश करो. Try to understand. Try to say it. Okay, sorry. Try to say it. This is the word. Okay, this is another word. Try to say it. इसे बोलने की कोशिश करो. Try to say. Say means say. Try means कोशिश. Try means कोशिश. Say means बोलने. Try to say it. इसे बोलने की कोशिश करो. इसे बोलने की कोशिश करो. Try to say it. Try to say it. इसे बोलने की कोशिश करो. Try to say it. इसे बोलने की कोशिश करो. Okay, इसे बोलने की कोशिश करो. First one is do you understand? Question word is do you understand? इसे समझ रही है. I understand. समझ गया. I understand. समझ गया. I do not understand means you will say to मुझे समझ नहीं आया, मुझे समझ नहीं आया. Do you understand? आप समझ रही है. That is the question word. Answer is I understand means you will say to समझ गया. I will understand means you will say to समझ गया. You did not understand means you will say to I do not understand. मुझे समझ नहीं आया, मुझे समझ नहीं आया. Okay. Next, try to say it. Try to say it. इसे बोलने की कोशिश करो. Try to say it. Try to say it. इसे बोलने की कोशिश करो. 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 Okay. इसे बोलने की कोशिश करो. इसे बोलने की कोशिश करो. इसे बोलने की कोशिश करो. Once again, I do not understand. मुझे समझ नहीं आया, मुझे समझ नहीं आया. Okay, this is the today's portion. Try to say it. Okay, इसे बोलने की कोशिश करो. इसे बोलने की कोशिश करो. Okay, this is the today's portion. I hope all understand. Okay, thank you children. Have a nice day.